Finally, it's official that IS 1893 Part 1 2025 has been withdrawn. It's official now. The reasons may be changes in many multiple clauses leading to very costly and economically unviable foundation cost view. The results were even contradicting past proven research results on the subject matter liquefaction and hence intent deep foundations, etc. Initially, of late, the latest issued Indian Standard Code IS 1893 Part 1 2025 Design Earthquake Hazard and Criteria for Earthquake Resistant Design of Structures Code of Practice Part 1 General Provisions 7th Revision, which was released on 3rd November 2025, was to be implemented on or latest by 3rd May 2026, phasing out the previous existing code IS 1893 Part 1 2016 General Provisions and buildings on the same very subject topic 6th revision. But now, as per the immediate latest order F number 5/6/2025 deregulation issued by Government of India Cabinet Secretariat Sewatirth, New Delhi, signed by the Special Secretary on 3rd March 2026, the previous Gazette notification number HQPUB 013122020 PUB BIS 1361 dated 6/11/2025, which was published on 13 November 2025 of this very code issued in the year 2025, stands withdrawn with immediate effect, citing concerns raised by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, as under the screenshot of which is here being enclosed for ready reference of all of you. This is for the sake of kind information to all the stakeholders involved in civil engineering infrastructure development at all, to avoid far-reaching consequences which were actually materially affecting the design and execution costs of all massive large-scale civil engineering projects, incredibly draining out the natural resources available as well. Thank you very much.